Are you struggling to add message attributes to your SQS messages when subscribed to an SNS topic? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to configure AWS SNS to include those important message attributes. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when documentation leaves you hanging. You want to make your AWS setup work seamlessly, but sometimes the details are just not clear. You're definitely not the only one facing this challenge. Let's look at the specific question at hand. One user asked, how can I add message attributes to SQS messages sent via SNS subscription? This is a common scenario for many AWS users, and it's crucial for effective message processing. So why is this important? Message attributes allow you to send additional metadata with your messages, which can be vital for processing and routing. Understanding how to configure this correctly can save you a lot of headaches down the line. Stick around, because at the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that can streamline your AWS messaging setup even further. To add message attributes to SQS messages sent via an SNS subscription, the user first needs to create an SNS topic if they haven't already done so. This can be done through the AWS Management Console. Next, the user should create an SQS queue that will subscribe to the SNS topic. This is also done in the AWS Management Console under the SQS service. After creating the SQS queue, the user needs to subscribe this queue to the SNS topic. This can be done by selecting the topic and adding the SQS queue as a subscriber. Now, to add message attributes, the user must publish a message to the SNS topic with the desired attributes. This can be done using the AWS SDK or the AWS CLI. Finally, the user can check the SQS queue to see if the messages have been received with the specified attributes. This can be done by receiving messages from the queue. Fun fact, did you know that AWS services are used by millions of customers, including NASA and Netflix? You're in good company when you use these powerful tools. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by a user is to enable raw message delivery when adding the SQS subscription to the SNS topic. This setting allows the SQS messages to retain their original attributes. Now, let's shift our focus to a different response. An alternative approach suggests ensuring that your SQS client is not filtering out message attributes. When receiving messages, specify the attributes you want to include. For example, if you want to receive my attribute, your code should look like this. If you need to read additional attributes, you can either whitelist them or use all to include all attributes. Here's how you can modify your code. Here's that pro tip I promised. Regularly review your SNS and SQS configurations to ensure they meet your evolving needs. This can help you avoid issues down the line and keep your messaging efficient. And there you have it. You now know how to add message attributes to your SQS messages via SNS. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more AWS tips and tricks. And remember, keeping your configurations updated is key to success.